read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum. Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, our today's lecture is about lowercase letter m. Expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to identify the lowercase letter m and learn words that start with the sound Look over here. Wow, monkey. It's very naughty. The monkey sits on the mat. The monkey sits on the mat. Name the animal. Tell me fastly that's sitting on the mat. Yes, monkey. Where does the monkey sit? On the mat. I'm also standing on the mat today. Very good. After that, you will make different flashcards like mango, mug, the name of boy Mustafa, and ask different questions from the students about their color, about their size. Okay, so they could learn a lot through beautiful, interesting activities. After that, it's time to mime. So, you will teach them about that. Use a stick to make magic happen and say magic. Magic. I hope so. You learned a lot and you enjoyed a lot this lecture, and you will teach very well to the students with happy face. Thank you very much. Indana Hafiz.